Ensi ya Kenya niko bono yachakirie bene EMEROBERIO bogokora campaign yoko moko boko homona chibina Njoki Ndung'u oyo Gochia gochorwa buna homona chibina asekegambire kenene kia ICC
okwana senyombe nene yoborai aigasomo chyo Nairobi ruto NIGO ayenekirie eserikali nechikumobwatesia Njoki Ndung'u asokoliya kwego koboko nabarayibe chinse omoyego yo NIGO oikeranwa amono mwaziri omonene Musalia Mudavadi omoraiwe bigambero Justice Martha Koome.
Today, Kenya stands before the international community not merely to endorse a candidature, but to strengthen the cause of international justice by presenting one of our most accomplished and distinguished jurists, the Honorable Lady Justice Susan Njoki Ndung'u.
On behalf of the Judiciary and the Judicial Service Commission, I express our deep appreciation to His Excellency the President and the Government of the Republic of Kenya for the confidence extended to the candidature of the Honorable Lady Justice Njoki Ndung'u for election as Judge of the International Criminal Court for the 2027-2036 term.
I am honored by the confidence of the Government of Kenya that has placed in me by nominating and supporting my candidature for the election of Judge of the International Criminal Court for the year 2027 to 2036. I accept this endorsement with humility and gratitude, proud to do so as a Kenyan who has dedicated her professional life to the service of justice and the rule of law and the protection of